Welcome to Brinov's Gallery. NCERT Syllabus. Class 2 Maths. Chapter 12. Give and take. Kinnari sells beads in the bazaar. She sells loose beads and necklaces of 10 beads each. Razia wants 12 beads. So Kinnari gives her one necklace and 2 loose beads. Now you find how many necklaces and loose beads the other children take. Razia. 12 beads. 1 necklace. 2 loose beads. Reema. 17 beads. 1 necklace. 7 loose beads. Arif. 24 beads. 2 necklace. 4 loose beads. Sonu. 35 beads. 3 necklace. 5 loose beads. Simar. 31 beads. 3 necklace. 1 loose beads. How many beads are taken by Razia and Reema together? Razia has 1 necklace and 2 beads. Reema has 1 necklace and 7 beads. Right. You can write it like this. First let us take all the loose beads together and count. There are 9 loose beads. So, I write 9 in this box. Now, take all the necklaces together and count. There are 2 necklaces. So, I write 2 in this box. I got it. Razia and Reema have 2 necklaces and 9 beads in all. That is right. Razia and Reema have 29 beads in all. Practice time. How many beads are taken by Razia and Sonu? 47 beads are taken by Razia and Sonu. 1 extra necklace. Beads taken by Reema and Arif. Right. Now, add them. Reema has 17 beads. Arif has 24. I must first count all the loose beads together. There are 11 loose beads. What do I write in the blue box? Ten loose beads make 1 necklace, right? So add 1 more to the necklaces. I write a small one to remember 1 extra necklace. Okay. Now how many beads will there be? I write 1 in the bead box. Good. Now, count all the necklaces. I write 4 in the necklace box. Reema and Arif have 4 necklaces and 1 bead in all. Yes, Reema and Arif have 41 beads in all. I can do it very fast in another way. Simple. If Arif gives 3 to Reema, Reema will have 20. Arif will have 21. So 20 plus 21 equals 41. Can you do it some other way? Add by writing and also without writing. How many beads do they have together? Reema and Sonu have 52 beads together. Arif and Razia have 36 beads together. How many more beads? Sonu has 11 more beads than Arif. Arif has 12 more beads than Razia. How many more beads does Simar have than Reema? Simar has 31 beads. Reema has 17. How will you take away 7 beads from 1 bead? Open 1 necklace of Simar. So, Simar will have 2 necklaces and 11 beads. To remember, I will cross 3 and write a small 2 in the necklace box. Also, Write a small in the bead box to remember there are 11 beads. Now it is easy. You can take away 7 beads from 11. Yes. I have written 4 in the bead box. That was quick. Now take away 1 necklace from 2 necklaces. I have written 1 in the necklace box. Simar has 1 necklace and 4 beads more than Reema. Ah. Simar has 14 beads more than Reema. Practice time. Also do it in your mind. Tanisha has 17 pencils. Sia has 25 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? If Sia gives 3 pencils, then Tanisha will have 20. Sia will have 22 pencils. It is easy to add 20 plus 22. So 42 pencils are there in all. In Manisa's class, there are 13 English storybooks and 22 Hindi storybooks. How many storybooks are there in all? Answer. 35 storybooks are there in all. Sakshi had 23 fruits. She ate 15 fruits. How many fruits are left? Answer. 8 fruits are left. Daljit has 35 marbles. Arvind has 25 marbles. How many marbles do they have in all? Answer. 60 marbles they have in all. Nisha has 32 bangles. Sukhi has 16 bangles. How many more bangles does Nisha have? Answer. Nisha has 16 bangles more than Sukhi. Venkatesha's canteen. Help Venkatesha to make the bills. Cost of a dosa is rupees 23. Cost of uttapam is rupees 28. The total bill is 51 rupees. Cost of idli is rupees 15. Cost of coffee is rupees 8. The total bill is 23 rupees. Cost of dahi vada is rupees 25. Cost of chili rice is rupees 18. The total bill is 43 rupees. Cost of soup is rupees 27. Cost of noodles is rupees 15. The total bill is 42 rupees. It's time to buy. Oh, you again. More homework. No, this time I have to buy 8 pencils and 5 erasers. Sure. The pencils cost 16 rupees. The erasers cost 15 rupees. 16 rupees means 1 10 rupee note and 6 1 rupee coins. So, I can write it like this. I put the coins together. There are 11 coins. That becomes 10 rupees and 1 rupee. Very good. Now you can see there are 3 notes in all. I have to pay 31 rupees, but I have 40 rupees. So, find out how much money you get back. I will get back 9 rupees. Practice time. Shekhar has 32 rupees. He bought a ball for 17 rupees. How much money is left with him? I have a shortcut. If I take away 2 coins from 32 and 2 coins from 17, I will be left with 30 to 15. Answer is 15. Sony bought biscuits for 24 rupees and a packet of chips for 16 rupees. How much money will she pay? Try doing it without writing. Answer is 40. Pantush had 64 rupees. He spent 39 rupees at the fair. How much money is left with him? Also find a way to do this without writing. Answer is 25. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Brinav's Gallery. Thank you.